So, good, good day, everyone. Let me start by stating Professor Moore from yesterday when he said that sometimes we just have to go back to fundamentals. So, my name is Robert Klinc. I come from University of Ljubljana, and today I will be talking about trust. I was really glad to see trust being cited a few times during the last few days. This is trust in the context of using BIM for project delivery. I have to apologize for the quality of the images, but they were taken with my phone during the presentation. This was not the only example. Another example, trust in the context of dimensions in regenerative building production. Also, we also heard about trust in the plenary session, where it was said that technology without trust is just a silo. We all know about technology. We are all aware of the technical skills. We know the contracts are essential and so on, but we still don't know why some projects are successful and why some of them fail. And more often than not, the trust is being this silent, but let's say decisive concept that has to be gained within the project in order for project to be successful. If you check the literature, you will see that there are many definitions of trust. This one being just one of them. A few of them are also mentioned in our paper. But I do like this one because it somehow reflects the processes that are going on in construction industry. I won't read it through because it's really difficult to read, but you can do it for yourself. So, about trust in construction projects, we are probably on the same page that it is really hard to build, but it is really easily broken. But once it is broken, it is even harder to rebuild that trust. But there are a few key factors known to contribute to trust. Let's say effective communication being one of them, transparency, reputation, and also strong relationships. There are many types of trust. This list is not exclusive. There are many more. But it shows the complexity of the field. It shows how important this field is. And although in recent years we are mostly talking about trust related to technology and also computer science, there are also more types of trust. But once we are at the trust in technology and AI systems and stuff like that, I would just like to point this out. I don't know if you noticed, but that's how we rely on AI. Going to technology trust, unlike interpersonal trust, technology trust focuses on human interaction with, let's say, machines, algorithms, and other digital systems. But technology trust is crucial for acceptance in technology-aware environments. We also have key components of technology trust, being reliability, safety, security, transparency, and last but not least, also ethical alignment. Besides technology trust, we also have digital trust. It has impact on various aspects of our connected world. And also it plays a crucial role in confidence and has direct impact on how business is successful. But we should also compare technology trust versus digital trust. They both revolve around confidence in systems, but they differ in focus, in key concerns, and also in primary users. So digital trust focuses how people interact with technology in digital environment, but technological trust is a much broader concept. It also embraces trust in the entire spectrum of technology, being like trust in hardware, trust in software, also algorithms, and also human-machine interfaces. We need an example at this point, so I have decided to try BIM. Let's try BIM. When we talk about technological trust, considering BIM, we are talking about organizations such as Building Smart. We're talking about processes such as OpenBeam, standards, IFC, also software vendors. On the other hand, when we try to talk about digital trust regarding BIM, we are talking about common data environments, smart contracts, large language models, and also models such as software as a service. Again, I mentioned trust in AI systems before. I hope you looked closely at the image. If not, I will show you a mistake that AI made, but this is not even the worst. I should show you one of the first iterations. Okay, so trust is really a difficult concept and you have to put effort in it. Also, trust, digital trust, technological trust, they overlap with other types of trust within the construction projects. We're talking about system-based trust, effect-based trust. You also have cognition-based trust, context-based trust, and so on. While some of them are, let's say, based on behavior of people, such as effect-based trust, we also have some that are promoted through a lot of strategies. This is cognition-based trust. We also have system-based trust that has roots in really, really clearly defined contracts and so on. Another use case, we have an example of trust in CD-based BIM workflows. A lot of types of trust that has some, let's say, foundations in other types of systems or standards and so on. For example, cognition-based trust, it is closely related to set of standards, ISO 19650 set of standards. Then we have effect-based trust that is promoted through BIM execution plans. But then, last but not least, we have system-based trust, which is quite difficult to manage because we just assume that systems work like it is expected, and we never actually see for ourselves if they are ensuring us security, privacy, and so on. So, really important aspect. Another one, where is blockchain? We heard a lot about blockchain. I know that there is a parallel session considering blockchain and research regarding blockchain right now. So where is it? Okay, so we heard a lot about blockchain in recent years, but somehow it never came into mainstream, at least not in the construction industry. Why is that? Probably because digital trust is really a multi-layered concept. You cannot only rely on system-based trust, you also need other components as well. That is probably why blockchain has not gained traction as it was envisioned. So we can safely say that digital trust is not a standalone concept. It is an aggregate of a lot of different trusts, being system, cognition, effect-based. Each dimension is addressing distinct user concerns. So system-based trust ensures integrity, structure integrity. Effect-based trust fosters emotional engagement, and cognition-based trust provides rational assurance. To conclude, digital trust is and will become even more important in the next few years. So it is really necessary to address ethical concerns. We need to start talking about transparency, about decision-making, and also safeguard against bias. Only in that case, we will confidently be able to adopt technologies that will shape our industry. Thank you very much.